Yo, it's your boy Ash from Smartphone Junkie alongside with ACS, Android Creative Syndicate, here to bring you the latest video reviews for mobile devices. Today we'll be showing you guys how to build your own channel on OneLouder's Channel Caster. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes to do depending on how many feeds you guys actually do want on your channel, but it's very easy to do and anyone from a novice all the way up to a pro can do it. With that said, let's dive right on in. At the top we'll have our normal default tabs of Browse, Favorites, and Build. We'll want to select Build. From there we'll want to go to the build with the crossed icon. These two you guys will not have because these are channels you have already created. So we'll select that and kind of give it a little zoom. And we'll want to select our channel name. For your channel name you want something that someone's going to be able to tell what your channel's about from by just reading the title. So for this, let's say for this instance we're going to select Red Wings. Like so. And then we'll go to select category. And we have either local, on campus, which could be college, sports, national news, entertainment, humor, life, and miscellaneous. For this instance, we're sports. So we'll go to sports, and then we will go to hockey. Alright, from there we can either choose our channel to be private, which is invite only, or we can have it as public. We're going to select public. And this optional description right here, this is going to be what shows underneath when they click on your name. Like we'll show you per instance. We'll go back here. And we'll show you on ACS, Android Creative Syndicate. It says the best Android development team all in one place. If we were to go close out of that, and then go to the Talk Android with Dash, my other channel, we'll notice this everything and more for all your smartphone needs. So basically it's giving you a nice little synopsis, real quick and easy, something a little bit more than just the title. So we'll go back into build. We're going to start all over, but no biggie, it only takes a second to do. We're at the Ted Wings, we're the Red Wings. There we go. Select category sports, hockey. We'll say NHL, since it's just going to be a mock-up, and then we'll go to our feeds. From here, we can do a search URL. This is going to search everything from the internet, like Google pages, to pictures that you may find, topics on the team, anything like that. So you don't want to make it too broad or you're just going to get massive amounts of feeds coming in. Let's say you have some favorite players you want to keep up on some more than others, so we'd select maybe Lidstrom. Normally we type in Nicholas Lidstrom, but we don't want to take up too much time for me trying to fiddle around looking through the camera and typing. So we just do that and click that little checkbox to the right. Once we do that, we'll have a feed right there. It does say #1 now. So we can X out of that, and this we wanted Datsuk as well. And then we can just select him as well. So it's basically going to feed from any players you want if you have favorites on the team that you want to keep up with. Season, maybe season stats or news about the player, so forth. We can do the same thing with Twitter. We can select Datsuk. Right now, for some reason, the people tab in the newest beta is not working. But normally what it would show there is people with that Twitter handling with that name, like if it's Pavel Datsuk's personal or a fan page, it's going to show you that and allow you to feed those tweets right to your page as well. Then we have our videos. So we have like videos about Datsuk, Datsuk rules, Red Wings, whatever. We'll select one like that, and it's going to give us a drop down. We can do his uploads or his favorites. For instance, we'll just do uploads. And then we can also feed up images. It's going to be like Datsuk, which is people. It's going to be on their Facebook feed right there. Russian hockey players rule. Whatever you may want, you can select there for pictures. And over here we have RSS feeds. Right now it's not going to pick up anything probably for Datsuk, but you can type in Detroit Red Wings. It's going to feed off their RSS page of maybe their blog, their main website, maybe the news feed. Whatever they may have, it will feed right off of there. So we're just going to leave that blank, and then we'll go to add in the upper right hand corner, and that will save our changes that we did make. Get this keyboard down. And from there, if we're all set with what we want, we just go to build, and it's going to say creating up top. Takes just a second, and this will give us a little confirmation message. That's success. We can email, tweet it, or send it to Facebook. This is a new channel. And for this instance, we're going to pass right by that and select done. Now when we want to search, this is what's pulling up right now. Nicholas Lidstrom doesn't make highlight reels, yada yada. It's pulling up any kind of tweets pretty much right now. It looks like some tweets, maybe some Facebook posts, and a couple news feeds. But it's giving us all the information on Lidstrom and the players that we did select. So that is pretty cool right there that it does feed that quick and does get that stuff right. But since we're just making this as a test, we're actually going to delete that. And if you ever want to delete your channel, it's actually very easy to do. Look that we actually got a picture for our homepage. What you do to delete it is we'll just go to the channel itself, and then we'll select the edit pencil. From there, we will go down to, get this keyboard out of the way, delete channel, and it's going to ask us if we are sure we want to delete it. We're going to select yes. And now this channel is going to be deleted. We'll go to our home screen, like so, and we notice it's not there anymore. If we would have gone over here into our browse and gone under the sports page, we would have seen our channel right here. But we'll go back over to miscellaneous and public. As you can see, we have quite a few channels on here actually, but this is how it would display, for instance, if we kept our Red Wings on there. We got Talk Android with Dash right there, and then we have our Android Creative Syndicate up top. If you click on the actual link right here, we'll zoom out of our camera. It's going to bring us to the wide view of the page. If we wanted the more information tab, for instance, because we wanted to see what it was about without actually going to the page, all we would have to do is click this little eye, and that will give us the page right here. So it's actually a very cool app, very easy to do. Yeah, it's just all around great feed for anybody that wants to have everything in one spot. Without stretching this out any longer, that's about it. And this was your boy Dash from Smartphone Junkie and ACS, Android Creative Syndicate, signing out. Peace.